How to fix Counter-Strike Global Offensive not opening in Windows 11. 1. Close unnecessary processes. 2. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Update the game in your Steam library. 4. Launch CSGO with administrative rights. Like this. Hint, by default, Pixco. exe is saved at c:\program files, x86, /steam apps /common /Counter-Strike Global Offensive. 6. Remove current CSGO. Then get a genuine copy of CSGO from the official Counter-Strike Global Offensive Steam page.